cybersecurity in 1 minute.
In simple terms, cybersecurity is the set of practices, standards, and rules designed to protect digital information systems. This includes how we protect things like your Instagram account, using a passcode on your iPhone, and measures to protect against phone extortion, reaching all the way to more complex protections for organizations or companies, such as isolated backups, penetration testing, the use of proxies, and network infrastructure, among others. Cybersecurity is so vast that you don't need to come from a tech background to specialize in it. You can have a background in law and work as a digital forensics expert or be a teacher. Because in this century, where we coexist with technological devices as an extension of our bodies, the most valuable asset is information. Everyone who has a technological device should understand and learn of cybersecurity. Okay, I'm finishing the video. Subscribe to the channel and follow Toy Cybersecurity social media. See you in another video.